And she was cool as fuck. She looked at me and I was like, oh my god. No, it's just, that's why I was like, oh, okay.
About hell in heaven in the Bible. He spoke more about hell than he died for Gaddafi, he died for sinners. To save you from the sins. See, right now, apart from Christ, you're stuck in your sins, you're slave to sin, you're in bondage to sin. That's why despite feeling guilt and shame and regret, you go back to doing the same thing over and over and over again. Because you're not living freely, you're living in bondage freely. The earth will tremble and the nations will not be able to endure his indignation. So God is angry with the wicked every day. The wicked is every human being outside of Christ. God declares always forsake him. Doesn't matter what color the skin is or the ethnicity we're born in sin. Every human being got a sewer of the soul. Every human being is by nature a child of wrath under the curse of God. Lord Jesus God. The wages of sin is death. Once you escape the damnation of hell, Christ has been there before and again. You cannot see the kingdom of God. The Lord is being along.
Here in the white, it's easy. If you don't want to, you don't have to. All right. Thank you very much. You can go watch. Stay right there and watch. Here you go. Oh, yeah, he always likes to watch. All right, I see you.
Ready?
All right, fellas, don't let us down. Here we go. Be a gallo, not a pollo.
Randy, Kiko el Crazy.
All right, follow him. Here we go. Good job. All right, here we go. Shake it. Shake it. Ride the horse. Ride the horse. Ride that horse. Yeehaw. All right, hands on your knees. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Backing it up. Down on one knee. All right. Ready? Push. 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 Oh, he's rocking it. All right, white chocolate. White pepper. Oh. Oh. He's safe. Good job. Good job, Buffalo Bill. White pepper. And little hole. All right, good job. Ready? Oh yeah, cartwheel. Go to leg, go to leg. Hey, hey. Come on, Buffalo Bill. Yes, Buffalo Bill. All right, good job. We're almost done. Here we go. calle.
Que te goda el Netflix.
All right.
Por la calle, dale, tira un
Here.
selfie. Esta gasolina. Una máquina.
Sit.
La cuarentena se
Sit.
acabó.
On your butt. Yes. Hands up and lay down. Hands up. Hands up. And broom, 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 broom. Just kidding. Hey. And boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Whoop shaka. Oh. Okay. Nice try. All right. The easy one. All right, last one. Good sports, fellas. Good job. Here we go. Last one.
Last one, guys. Follow me. This way.
Karate stance. Oh, yeah. All right, a little lower. Oh, shit. Oh, you like foot.